There's an idea floating around that creating GUIs is a pretty painful task. Many full-stack programmers stay away from GUIs because of this. Well, it doesn't have to be that way, and I'm here to prove it. It's so easy, you don't have to be a programmer. And you don't need to download huge libraries or learn an overly complicated programming language either. We're going to use the standard Windows controls that have been proven to be the most reliable and recognized ever. By using AutoHotkey, which is a simple scripting language, you will be able to create working GUIs in a matter of minutes. You will get to know from some of the simplest controls, like the text controls, to the most advanced ones, like the list view control, in a way that will be very easy to understand. This course will provide you with clear-cut examples, exercise files, quizzes, and you can even join our community to see examples from others and learn from their work. And if in the end you don't like the presentation or you think the course is more complex than advertised, don't worry, you can ask for a refund at any time. The authors have been teaching AutoHotkey for over 10 years, given 50 webinars, over 700 tutorials on YouTube, and are very active in the community. Join us in this course to learn how to create GUIs with AutoHotkey.